So here we have a standard beta distribution with the parameters 7.2 and 2.3. And what we would like to do is to obtain the area to the left of x equals 0.9. So one way to do that is just go to insert functions and go to statistical, find beta distribution. And here our x is 0.9. We want cumulative area to the left of 0.9. And remember, our alpha is 7.2 and beta is 2.3. And cumulative we are going to put true. And if we write a equals 0, then it will give us the value for a standard beta distribution. So here it is, and that the value is about 0.86319. Okay. Or you may also use online apps such as this by Matt Bogner from University of Iowa. So just go ahead and put the parameters, and we are putting the parameters here. Our x is 0.9, right? And we want, well, we could have gotten the area to the right, but here we are just writing the area to the left. But if you want area to the right, it will calculate that as well. Okay. And it also gives you, it's out of the screen area. Let me just show that to you. So it is right here. It gives you the expected value and the standard deviation of this particular beta distribution. Okay.